Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Ibrahim. We are back again with another great amazing tech video. The video of today, it's all about a BOYA microphone. Now I'm talking about a great and amazing kind of microphone which can stand out there throughout your camera and give you much better sound quality throughout your camera. So for further ado, let's get started. Whoa, there we have it. As you can see guys, this is the BOYA microphone. So we're gonna just unbox it and see what's packed inside. So guys, first thing first, we're gonna just open up throughout the box and see what's inside, because I'm just so pumped to see what's happening with this kind of BOYA mic. What's so special, what's so goody. So we're gonna just see what's happening in here and explore. So there we go. So what's in here on the box? So as you can see, there is a BOYA kind of stickers which you get throughout this kind of box, and another kind of stuff. You're getting like a warranty policy paper, and you're getting a user manual on how you can use throughout the BOYA mic, which it's really kind of convenient. So you can use it throughout your smartphone, as you can see here. You can use it throughout your cameras. You can use throughout multiple devices throughout here, so as to give you much better sound quality throughout the microphone. So yeah, so here we have it. This is our bad boy. As you can see guys, it's really kind of cool. So first thing first, this is the microphone having that kind of wind proof, which can help you out throughout outdoor if you're using the microphone outdoor. So we're gonna just unplug it here and see what's happening throughout the mic. So this is how the mic it is. It's really kind of smaller, right? You can just see it. At the back, you're having the jack port, which you can just plug it in throughout the cables. Now we're gonna just jump in right now throughout the cable and see what's happening throughout here. So you can see we're having the first thing first is the holder of the microphone. So I mean this kind of holder which goes here, and you can see right now you have the hot show which you can just plug it in, and it's having that kind of lock which you can use even your tripod to mount it somewhere, which it's really convenience. Keep it aside first. So you're having multiple connector throughout here. I think this is for the smartphone. This kind of connector is for the smartphone. You can see the label here, and this one here, it's for the DSLR, and another kind of stuff, the silica gel. Why do I call it silica? You're getting a BOYA qualified certificate as a badge. And last but not least, you're getting a pouch for your microphone, which you want to store it, which it's really looking good. So this is what you get throughout the BOYA microphone, which it's really convenient. So this is our microphone here, and we're gonna just try testing it out right now and see the sound quality, what's the difference. But before we test it, now it's the time to just give it some comparison. Right now we can see a bigger difference throughout this kind of microphones which I have here. So this kind of microphone, I bought it on AliExpress, and it uses the battery to operate. As you can see, it uses the AAA batteries to operate. This kind of smaller battery here, you just plug it in, and you just lock it just like that, and you just turn it on. You can see it's on right now, those kind of indication. And after that, you can change throughout 20 dB, decibels, 0 dB if you want just normal constant. So it's a good microphone. You can see it's having a holder too, which it's really kind of perfect. I've been using it throughout a lot of videos, and it's really good. But downside throughout the material, it's just not that much legit. Now comes in handy throughout this kind of BOYA microphone, which it's really dope because it does not use any kind of battery. It uses its own self technology, which it's really kind of awesome. So you don't need batteries through using this kind of BOYA MM1, which it's really kind of awesome. So it's a really kind of perfect microphone, and it's a really kind of budget. It won't break your bank throughout getting this kind of microphone, and it's really convenient. Now I think it's a perfect time for us to test it and explore what's packed throughout this kind of BOYA microphone. Yeah, so guys, right now I'm using the BOYA microphone. As you can hear my sound, how much it picks, it's really kind of great. And to be honest, I think the BOYA microphone sounds really kind of legitimate, because the way it just faces you throughout that kind of microphone, it's just on your side, so you just see yourself and you get the things ASAP. So it's really kind of top notch. It's really kind of awesome by using this kind of BOYA microphone, and I give it a go because it's really kind of come in handy, and you don't need batteries. Like I've been using this one throughout each now and then, and I've been using batteries each now and then whenever I just want to like record. And sometimes you're recording, you don't know, in the middle of the video, this kind of microphone lets you down because the battery might be draining, and you just don't know, and the video, it might be going here and there. But for this kind of BOYA microphone, you won't hear those kind of problem anymore. So it's really kind of dope throughout the microphone of BOYA, and that's what's up. This kind of sponge, you might be asking yourself more, what is it, Abdul? Well, this kind of sponge, you use it throughout outdoor, on windy. It comes really great when you mount it on the camera, and it gives you some smoothness. Now I'm gonna mount it so as some of you guys can see the difference throughout the sound. Okay, now I've mounted the wind stuff. I mean the wind cloth, or it's not a cloth. So I've mounted the wind stuff, and you can hear my sound quality, how much it picks right now. It's really kind of great, and it's really kind of dope. So if I had wind, so I'm gonna take my fan and just keep it somewhere here closer so as I can give you guys some demonstration. I have my fan here throughout Purodo. It's a really good fan. So I'm gonna just like get closer throughout the camera, just somewhere here. So I'm gonna just increase the wind. So as you can see, guys, that's the wind. I got the fan here. So as you can see, that's how I'm testing throughout. If I'm outdoor and you're having wind, how much the microphone is gonna be picking. That's how the sound quality it's picking up, which is really kind of remarkable. As you can hear me, really nice and smooth, not quite bad, and it's really dope. So guys, that's what's up about this kind of BOYA microphone, which it's MM1, which it's really dope. And I give it a go, and I'll leave a link down below if you want to just grab it online. It's really top notch. And if you're living in Arusha, you can just get it at Gadgetronics, and it's really kind of dope. So that's what's up about this kind of BOYA microphone. Let me know in the comments down below, what type of a microphone do you like? Do you like a microphone which you mounted and uses the batteries, or you prefer something which it's a little bit much better, convenience and portable, easy to carry, easy to travel with, and it comes with more kind of power throughout how much the sound quality it gives you throughout the microphone. So that's what's up, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and another kind of stuff. If you're new here, consider subscribing to Homeboy here. I really appreciate on that, so as we can just go to 4,000 subscribers. We're almost going to 4,000. We are 3,600, I think, somewhere there, which is really dope. So we are going for 4,000 subscribers, which is really kind of awesome. I just don't know what to say, and it's really, I really appreciate on that. I just don't know what to say. What is that? I really appreciate on that. I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos, guys, and peace.